Let's get any image you want on your Microsoft Dynamics forms. Maybe you want to implement some company branding like a logo or a slogan, or showcase a valuable infographic to your sales team's members on the product form. Whatever the case, I think this is a truly slept on capability that you can use in your Microsoft Dynamics forms to customize it to you. Let's talk about how to add the image web resource control in Microsoft Power Apps right now. As always, here we are back in the Power Apps Maker portal. We are going to navigate to our account main form where we're looking to add some company branding for sales team members on the main account form. The first step is going to be determining where you want this component to go. This very possibly could take up a ton of space on the form, so you're going to want to make sure you plan ahead of time. That way the experience is good to go. Assuming you know where you want this component to live, go ahead and select components in the ribbon, and then on the left hand side you're going to open up the display group and find the image web resource control. Click and drag this control onto your form wherever you would like it to be. For me, in this scenario, I want this to be in the very top right of our form near the account header. Once you let go, you'll need to select which image resource you want this control to show. Obviously, you'll need to create the web resource in Power Apps before being able to select the web resource. If you have not, they do add this handy little new resource button here. This is going to bring you to a screen where you can upload the image, name it, etc. Once it's added, then you can search for the name of your image in the search box here, as there's likely going to be a lot of them. In my scenario, my image that I'm adding to the form is called Sales Team Motto. Once you hit add, you can see that it's going to directly add this to your form. I am by no means a sales team management expert. I would not recommend a motto like this to really motivate your sales teams. I ironically actually asked ChatGPT to create some sales models for me, and this is what I thought the best one was. Anyways, you can find the control properties pane once you select it on the right hand side of your screen. If you wanted to adjust the height the component takes up, or change the vertical and horizontal alignment, you can do that here. You can also change the aspect ratio as you would like to, but for me, in my scenario, this is good to go as it is. But this is especially important if your image is really large or really small. You're gonna wanna make sure you update this here so it fits correctly on the form. One final thing I wanna check is making sure that our component actually is the very first thing on this right-hand side column. In the footer, you can actually switch this show hidden switch, and you can see here that there is actually a hidden control. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and flip these. I've noticed that this out-of-the-box assistant control has had trouble displaying on the form, and I suspected that it would be there. But regardless, once your form is complete, go ahead and hit save and publish. While this is publishing, I just wanna say thank you so much for sticking this far into the video. If you're finding this video helpful or insightful, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Reading those comments and interacting with you guys down there truly is the best part about making content on YouTube, and it warms my heart. It does. Okay, we are done publishing. Let's go ahead and take a look at an account record in Dynamics. You can see that our image control showcasing our beautiful sales team's motto, slogan, whatever, is right here on the form and good to go. No additional configuration needed. If you are interested in how you can continue to boost the UI UX of your Microsoft Dynamics forms in Microsoft Power Apps, go ahead and check out this playlist here, as it's going to cover a host of the different controls that you can implement today. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end of the video. My name is Griffin Lickfelt, the host of Citizen Developer, and I'm excited to connect with you guys in the next one.